What's up, everybody? It's your boy MjM coming back to you guys with another ThreadBeast video. Hope you guys are doing good, doing the things that you need to do, so that way you can keep kicking ass every single day. We're gonna make sure that we try on an outfit. Last time I did not do that, and I apologize. I was very tired. Pretty sure I had just woken up when I did the last video. Same shit, just waking up. But excited to open up this video. We got our camera, as you can see. We got our other camera. We're gonna try and utilize them the best way we can. We got our mic, we got our other mic. Let's get down to business. We need a knife. We need a knife. It's a knife. All right. Must haves just for you. Oh yeah? You don't say. So one thing that they did do is they designed a new box, and the whole idea behind this box is like a new launch for the redesign of, you know, just give it to a refresh, because it was always the black box that you saw. So this is their new box that they're using, and then they also want us influencers, I guess you could say, to make a post with the box. So I need to remind myself to keep the box and then also make a post on Instagram tagging them with the box. Some shit like that. One of the two. Either way, we need to make sure to keep the box. Now, what do we have, ThreadBeast? Ooh, let me grab the camera real quick, because this is neat. So right here, this is what it looks like once you open it. New box. Show up ready for the moves that matter and the moments that count. Kind of like that. Now let's get this little sticker off here. Ooh. Ooh. What do we got? We got some Nikes down there? Okay. So this is what we're looking like right now. Oh, man, I'm kind of excited. All right, let's set you guys down real quick. We have ourselves, to start off with, the hundreds. Nice little, not like super plain, but just a basic shirt, navy blue. I kind of like it. Not kind of, we'll give it a nice 7 out of 10. Not a terrible shirt, nothing amazing. Aussie. This is kind of dope. I fuck with it. I know you saw it at the top, but nice new hat. I love my hats. Nice and snazzy. Aussie. Hell yeah. I'll throw that on right now. Oh, what is that? Is that? Oh! Me and my buddy were talking about cookies. And it's fried as fuck that we're talking about it. Because these joggers, holy shit. They're clean. They're fucking clean, boys. Hold up. Look at them. Yeah. Got the cookies on the left side. Got a bunch of pockets. Oh, man. And it's got these cool little strings on it as well. Oh, dear Lord. Nice 2 back pockets to it. Let me show you guys. So we have nice cool designs right there with cookies. Some pockets on the other side. And the strings right here. They're pretty cool. Never seen any like strings with like the taps on it like that. Just like melted shit on top of it. But it looked cool. Hell yeah. Well, I fuck with these. These are like definite like spring wear. Because they don't feel, I don't know. Maybe not. They don't feel super thick actually. They have like the mesh on the inside. So maybe like spring/summer wear. When you're like out and about. Going to the lake or pool, whatever the fuck. Dope. fuck with it. Oh! Oh, I think I pulled two out. We pulled two out. Whoops. Hey, whoops. Alright. So, I don't know what the fuck this says. So if anybody that speaks Japanese, for the love of God, tell me what this says. Anybody that speaks Japanese, tell me. What does that say? Let me get a little closer. I need to know. Your boy needs to know. Probably says it on there somewhere on the shirt. Nice shirt. Next, we have a primitive long sleeve. Ooh. Just a nice plain primitive long sleeve. Very nice. And if you don't see it on that camera, I do apologize. We're going to make a good effort to make sure you can see it right here. Nice plain long sleeve primitive shirt. We had one in the last box, I do believe. Kind of preferred that one over this one. But still, nonetheless, very nice. Next, we have ourselves some mini gold jeans, some more jeans, basic jeans. And the thing with the jeans is you can customize them to the length, you can custom them to the waist, and then also the, like, I guess you could say the cuff of the, like, length, like the cuff of your ankle where it is, where it hangs. You can customize what, like, if you want it to be puffy or skinny, you know what I mean? Ooh, we got ourselves a beautiful spring/summer sweatshirt just to throw on. Nothing super thick, which is nice. Starting to get in that weather where it's starting to get warmer, boys and girls. Flip the hood around so that way you can see the front. Just a nice, cool design. What does it say on there? Billy Bong. Nice. Hell yeah. Hell yeah. That's clean. That's clean. All right. So next, ooh, we have ourselves a nice pair of like camo socks. Fuck with them. They're stance socks too. These are really fucking nice. Really nice. Look at the designs on these, boys and girls. You know we're gonna be rocking these. And we actually have a couple things like this right now that would go with it. So, dope. I'm gonna have to figure out what type of fucking outfit I'm gonna put together. Oh, there's another pair of socks. Hold up. Another pair of socks. Hold up. Broken promises. Just some gray broken promises socks. We got two pair of socks. Two. Broken promises. Ooh. Visual outreach program. This one just seems like a basic sweatshirt. Oh, it has some writing on the... Oh. Never mind. That's tight. Do you ever feel like your life is spiraling out of control? Oh yeah. Definitely is right now. That's cool. That's what's on the back. And then it says visual outreach program. Yeah, I can English. All right, so we have all the clothes out of there. We have some ThreadBeast stickers right here. So if you guys want yourselves some ThreadBeast stickers, I'm gonna start saving these for you. And then once we get to the point where we're sending stuff to people, I'll throw that in the bundle with you guys, with whatever the fuck it is. Put that right there. Bro, these shoes look like they got beat up. I don't know what shoes they are, but they look like they got beat up. So, box closing. The main attraction of the video has arrived. We have a beat up pair of Nikes. What type of Nikes are they? Air Jordan 1s, Retro High OG. I swear to God, if this is another pair of gray retros, I'm gonna be livid. These are black and white retro. Fuck! Why are you sending me this? Send me some color. Send me some color. So they sent me the low tops, and now I have the Jordan high tops. I mean, I did change the settings on like bold colors just recently, so I'm gonna cut it some slack. I'm sure they're still on the like bold and whatever the fuck option it is, bold and classic or whatever the fuck it is. We got ourselves some high retro ones. I'm not gonna lie, I'm kind of disappointed. Not gonna lie. They're clean. They don't look too banged up, even though the box looked banged up. Get that all in there. Even though the box looks banged up, I can't be too upset. They're clean. Brand new, doesn't look like they have any scuff marks whatsoever. So you know, skinny boy season, full effect. I don't know. I'm kind of disappointed. The stylist should have known I have low tops. I don't need these right now. I mean, I understand that a lot of the things that are in there match it, but come on. If you see this video, I'm gonna need you to step it up. Because look, don't tell me that would annoy you. Don't tell me this would annoy you. You know what I mean? Just like reversed. Reverse. Anywho, we're gonna accept it. Actually, he needs to go over here. It's all right. Let's put those in there, and then we are going to get a outfit together real quick. So give me a 0.5.
So sadly, this is where the camera cuts off. I had let my phone die during the recording. I knew it was at low battery, but I just chose to keep recording. I just chose to record in general. Right here, I try to explain how I feel about the whole entire box in general. I did change the settings of like bright colors for summer and spring, which is what I put in. It's called bright and bold. And then there's like, you know, your winter and fall colors. I don't remember exactly what it's called, but they have different, you know, styles for those seasons. I had that swapped, but I think I did it too late. And then on top of that, there was another stylist doing my box, I feel like. So I know everything will end up meshing together, but I definitely felt a little down with the box. There's a lot of darker colors. Plus, I ended up using a rewards, and I mean, there were some cool things, but it's just, you know, the box wasn't as hyped as the other ones. It didn't feel like it. The shoe colors, I already had a pair that were like just about the same, so it was just like, you know, they should be able to see your previous boxes and the things you had and be able to determine, all right, let's not give them another black and white shoe a month after, just give them another one, you know. But it is what it is. The box in general, for my rating, would probably be, being generous, like a 6.5, 6.8. The Cookies pants, or well, sweats rather, not even sweats, like joggers or some shit. But they had meshing on the inside. Don't really fuck with that, but aside from the meshing, they're pretty cool. Yeah, it was a mediocre box. I'm not gonna lie to you. There are gonna be moments where you're like hella hype for it, and now I'm at the point where I'm like, damn, could have saved that money, but it is what it is. If you guys did like the video, be sure to like it, share it with your friends, family members, whoever you need to share it with. With that said, I'm gonna leave you guys here. Be sure to check out other videos. You know, show some of the people that I have in my featured channels some love. Check them out. You know. With that said, I'm leaving you guys, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Adios and maybe.
Like and subscribe.